Let's talk about the tightening of the interview waiver program for tourist visa applicants. And in September 2025, things have changed. Whereas before September 2025, tourist visa applicants can go through a waiver program in which they don't have to worry about going through another interview just to enter the US. However, after September 2nd, 2025, most non-immigrant visa applicants no longer can be eligible for this waiver, including tourist visa applicants. And so it's good to strategize and increase your chances of success in obtaining the tourist visa. And here are a few possibilities. One is to check if you are eligible for an exception to the waiver of the program. So if you had a prior visa that was for full validity, your prior visa expired within 12 months, and you are at least 18 years of age when the previous visa was issued, then you may actually be eligible for this exception and may not have to have an interview. Another tip is to start the application process early. So for renewals or having a new visa, your application, you want to think well in advance and plan travel and consider that there will likely be a delay in processing time compared to prior to 2025. And another thing is, which is key, is to prepare for your interview and to make sure that you answer the questions accurately and honestly. So you want to have a list of possible questions, and some possible questions include, what is the purpose of your travel? And how would you answer that? So you can say, just to go sightseeing. I plan to travel to California and see the beaches there and enjoy and go to some nice landmarks and see those places. Another could be, what kind of ties do you have to your country? And you can explain, okay, I have bank accounts, I have my own business, I have family, and you have proof of that. So those are kinds of evidence that you can prove at your interview, and you want to prepare in advance before it, because it will go quickly and you want to be prepared to answer every question accurately and honestly. Another tip is to monitor the policies that change through the Department of State. And so you want to be aware of these constant changes. And one way to do so is to monitor the Department of State, its website, and check if there's any related tourist visa news. And another way to stay updated is if you contact us and ask us to be on our newsletter. We're happy to share with you updates, travel news into the US. And us being in California, a lot of tourists come here, and we love to see tourists enter the US, especially in San Francisco. We welcome tourists all the time, and we hope to see you here.